It is not my place to countermand the wishes of this council, but I have words that need to be heard," said the chaplain. His voice was deep, his words spoken quickly, but clearly. "Who knows better than those seated here what devastation the Tyranids can unleash? Who but the Ultramarines has the experience and the knowledge to defeat this threat? More than that, who above the Ultramarines do the people of the Imperium look to for salvation from this alien menace? We cannot fight every foe, no matter how much we might desire it," said Agaman. "Always we must weigh up the price of action. Stygia cannot be considered a more important cause than the hive worlds and manufactories of the Vortengard spiral." Cassius stepped away from the table and crossed the hall to where a broad bookcase stood beneath a tapestry showing the north facade of the Macragge Senate House. The chaplain took the first volume from the top shelf, a hefty tome, the spine of which barely fitted into a giant hand. Carrying the book, he moved around the table and placed it in front of Agaman. "The Codex Astartes," said Cassius, stroking the book with a reverent gesture. "Penned by the Primarch. Show me, Severus, where in the wisdom of Guilliman are we told to put logic before honor?" "I can turn to the pages that tell us not to waste the lives of our warriors in the case of vanity, if you like," said Ixion, reaching across the table for the Codex. "To what advantage would we send our warriors into this campaign?" said Agaman. "If not strategic nor personal, what end do we serve if we were to respond to this call above all others?" "We give hope," Cassius said quietly. "Ever has it been that the Space Marines are too few to conquer every threat. Yet the truth of our existence and the hope of our intervention steals the hearts of lesser warriors and lends strength to their conviction. They hold out against impossible odds and offer up prayers to the Emperor that the angels of death will come. They fight harder, knowing that if they do so, we might intervene. Mankind believes our Emperor to be a god, and that is both foolish and blind. Yet they also believe the Adeptus Astartes to be the instrument of his will, and that is not so ignorant. I cannot say whether the Emperor answers prayers thrown up in desperation, but I do know that the Ultramarines reply to calls for aid if it is possible. To not answer that cry for help threatens to shatter something far more precious than ore worlds and hive factories: faith in the Space Marines." Ortan Cassius serves as the High Chaplain of the Ultramarines during the 41st millennium. As Master of Sanctity of the 13th, it is the duty of Cassius to uphold the spiritual and mental well-being of his chapter during the darkest days to befall mankind. The oldest able-bodied member of the chapter, Ortan has seen countless conflicts upon hundreds of war zones and incurred scars and wounds aplenty. The majority of his face replaced with augmetics and bionics. The gnarled visage of the leader of the Ultramarines Reclusium strikes fear into the hearts of the wicked. Able to impassion his battle brothers with righteous zeal through words forged by 4 centuries of endless war, though among the elder Space Marines serving in the Adeptus Astartes, time has not diminished his skill in battle. Serving within the elite chamber militant of the Ordo Xenos, the Death Watch, with his return to his chapter, Ortan's expertise in hunting the alien soon proved invaluable. Leading the first kill team of the Imperium to discover the Gene Stealer menace during 681.M41, upon Gosar Quintus, Kill Team Cassius purged the followers of the cult of the Four-Armed Emperor and reported their findings to the Ordo Xenos. Fighting during the First Tyrannic War of 745.M41 against Hive Fleet Leviathan, Ortan alongside his young chapter master, Marneus Calgar, repelled the invasion of their sacred realm. Attempting yet failing to save the doomed First Company elite during the final battle of the campaign, Ortan, though heavily injured by a Carnifex, pledged his solemn duty to avenge their loss. Rebuilt with extensive cybernetics, a revelation came to Cassius. It was Ortan's belief that the Tyranids represented punishment to humanity for their failure to stay vigilant against the terrors of the Void, to which, should they receive penance, must fight this blight on the stars with renewed vigor. forming the Tyrannic War Veterans, comprised of those who had fought with distinction during the conflict. Cassius mentored this new band of champions in order to enact reprisal against the Great Devourer. Comprising the new members of the elite First Company of the Ultramarines, the Warriors of Ultramar. With the replenishment of the company, those who remained joined Cassius in purging the Genestealer and Tyranid holdouts, such as during the Purge of Torhaven. Armed with his Crozius Arcanum and the master-crafted Combi Flamer, Infernus, his slaughter of a Swarmlord of Highfleet Kraken proved so devastating that the reborn Xenos still harbors a grudge against Cassius to this day. With the return of the Avenging Sun, Rabute Guilliman, the Ultramarines have been beset by threats on all sides. Present during the invasion of Ultramar perpetrated by the forces of Chaos, despite subsequent incursions following the birth of the Great Rift, such as the Plague Wars, Cassius stayed true to his duty to combat the Tyranid threat. His expertise in combating the Great Devourer, never more crucial than during the 42nd millennium.